So let's say you want to record something like maybe your iPhone. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the best way, the easiest way to record your screen on your iPhone, including with audio. And here's the kicker. You don't even need an app. It comes built into your phone. So let's jump on the phone and I'll show you how to do it. So before you start, we want to make sure that the screen recorder is in the control center. So you pull down from the upper right and you'll see mine. It's the circle within the circle, the dot within the circle down in the lower left. But let's make sure you know how to add it just in case you don't have it. So you want to go to settings, and when you're in settings, go down to control center. Now, this is kind of weird, I think, but everything with the red minus behind it or beside it is actually in your control center. So you'll see mine right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it just so you'll see how to add it. So anything with a green plus is something you would add. So there's screen recorder, and there it is right there. Now, you can move it anywhere you want to. I'm just going to leave mine there, and then we'll close that, and there it is right there. So the next thing is to decide where you want to save your video, and is your mic on or off. So you hold the button, kind of hold it down for just a second until this screen pops up. Now you'll see my microphone is on. If you don't want it on, you just toggle it off, toggle it on, and it's going to save this in photos. And that's important because once we're recording, then we'll have the video there. So at this point, there's two things you can do. You can just press the button right there, and you notice there's the countdown. It's starting, and it's starting to record. Or you just long press it like this, and you get that screen right there, and then you can start recording, and you'll see it starting to count down. And right now it's recording everything that's on your screen. Okay, so now once it's recording, you can go back to your phone, and anything on your phone it's recording right now. I mean, absolutely anything. So if I go to YouTube and I want to scroll through YouTube, or, well, you know, I mean, just happen to go to my channel, it's actually recording everything that's on my screen right now. It really doesn't matter. This is great for whatever you wanted to record, and again, it's keeping my audio. And if you see the little red flashing up at the top, that's how you know it's recording, and also you see how much has been recorded. So when you're ready to end recording, you just tap on that right there, and it's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to stop recording? And if you do, you say yes, and it'll tell you right there at the top that it's been saved in your photos. Okay, so now to find your recording, you go to Photos, and you'll see probably one of the last things you shot, but let's just take this one right here, and if you want to edit it, all you've got to do is go to Edit, and then you can just grab that right there, and that will adjust that. That will adjust that, and when you're done, you have two options: save video as new clip or save video. I always save as a new clip, and that way I haven't overwritten the other one. And there you go. It's that easy to record your iPhone screen. So go record something and create something. Come on. The best thing you can do is use your creative gifts today. I'm Kevin. I'll see you next time.